finally in Korea here for World Championship. It's time for practice.
Welcome to Korea!
A great flash over from Lustboy, but that could feed Dade, or Pawn rather, exactly what he wants. Bjergsen's gonna get knocked away. Oh, does they finalize the kill? The Ignite there is the left. It's so long. Mata with a godlike hook from over the wall. Every hook, like I said, heat-seeking coming out of Mata. What can they ban? What can they do? Samsung getting everything they want.
Comfort breeds weakness.
Wild Turtle doing what he can to Orb walk this one out. Almost get enough damage, he does. They are able to lock down Pawn on this one, but they've lost 3. At what cost to keep the fight going here?
And fight looks even better in game 2.
Level 1, 5v5, Dandy doesn't go down. Illusion passes, Lustboy picks up first blood. The Ignite's down as well, and Samsung White is running for the hills. It's gonna be game 3 in favor of Team Solo Mid.
나이스!
White takes down Team Solo Mid in the quarterfinals.